I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp software. Listen, there is two options. Either there is two upload option. Okay, the upload number files and upload names files. Okay, so here you can able to use what alternative names. Suppose that you want to send a message with their name, so you can use it. Okay, you just need to upload to txt file. Okay, txt file is notepad file. Okay, suppose let's see. I am what? One second. Let's say just I click a new folder and make a folder for WhatsApp marketing. Okay. Now, okay. So you have to remember which file you are making. New. Okay. That job. Sorry. New. And there is a text document. Okay. That's click only on. Give a name. Number. Whatever you want to give a name, you can give anything like that. And second one is what? Name. Name. Okay. So there is number or name. In name file, you have to use the name like Rohit, second one Raju, third one Abhishek. This is a name. Okay. And then file save. Make sure total number of names should be equal to total mobile number, yeah, WhatsApp number, whatever. Okay, now name file is created. Now number file. Don't use your country code because you have to select country code in what the software. Okay, so suppose I use the 86036578186. First number, second number is 797076053 and third number 8804126048. So three numbers and three names both are equal. So now my first step is done. Now second step is ever, okay, click here. That's the number file. Okay, that's a number file. Okay, now we are going to upload a number file. So just go to here and check it WhatsApp. We already created a folder. That's a number file and okay. Okay. Now upload name file. So just go here. Now this is the name file and open that. Okay. Now no need to add anything here. Okay. Now this is the message. Okay, this is a message. You can generate a API like this one. You can just generate from here. Suppose that my number is 797076058, and I want to thanks. Yes, I want your service. Want your service. Okay, whatever service and sorry. Whatever. Okay. I'm not. I'm just create API link, and now you will get your API link is ready. Now just put it here. Okay. Now, you want to attach your image or PDF file. You can add anything like that, but you can include only one attachment file. So include attachment. When you click a send message, then first it will go to there and it will say, please send a message to yourself. Okay. Uh, Now I have to, oh, once again, include attachment stop sending. I start send and now I start sending. Now you can add a name here. Suppose add a name. HELO, hello. Add a name. Now click on 1 second. Stop sending file and start sending message. Okay. Now click here to send yourself. Now click here to send yourself. Then attach any file. Of course, you can send a document. You want to add a document. Suppose what downloads, and then you have PDF file. Suppose this is a invoice. You want to send it. Open this one and just wait for this and just send. Okay. Now my all message is ready. Now send it. Oh. So first you have to try, okay, because sometimes catch is also available. So you make sure that catch should not be go. Okay. So first try on your number, then add a multiple numbers. Okay, because Google contains some kind of catch. Okay, now you can see hello. Uh, I think so. There is some miscommunications. Uh, okay, I think so. Yeah. So this is how it's work. Okay, now send. Okay, now I think so. I make a mistake here where I add a name. Sorry, I don't add a name. That's why it's not good. Just click add a name. Hello, and let's see. File is already added. That's it. You added. Now send it again. Okay, it will ask you send yourself. Just go here and upload your file. Whatever document you want to send or photo you want to send, just send it. And then come to here and you can get any PDF file like this one. Open. My work is done here. And make sure you have to send yourself first. Okay, and wait. And now go back and start send. Okay, now let's see what gonna happen. Now, hello Rohit. Now you can see, hello Rohit, you are getting a message. Okay, now, and invoice is coming. So this is great. Now let's stop it.